Hello everybody, I'm coming to show you another art project of mine. This time it's a little different. It's actually my car, so let's take a look. I've started working on the artistic part of it about 2 years ago, right after I got it, and so yeah, let's check it out.
Supposed to feel cutting like a red hot knife of surgical steel, raw fresh from the autoclave. She came with sterile warnings, screaming from her place, singing, I wanna make you bleed. I watched them fall in line as I fell victim to double suicide. On your television, we heard our records back words too many times. I'm wasting my breath, we're wasting our time, wasting our time. Down on my knees, but not to pray. It's so hard across the skull, it buckled my legs. They told me I had hell to pay.
Alright, so that's it. That's one of my art projects. As you can see, it's definitely not a race car, it's just a moving piece of art. It's my own drivable canvas. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.